In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a scene in Colossyan. Duplicating a scene is a simple way to reuse layouts, timing, and content without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's especially helpful when you want to keep a consistent look across multiple moments in your video, or test small variations side by side. First, log into Colossyan. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where your projects are listed. Find the project you want to work on and open it in the editor. This brings you into the main editing view, where you can see your canvas in the center and your scenes organized visually. Along the bottom of the editor, you'll see your storyboard. This is the horizontal strip of scene thumbnails that represents the structure of your video from start to finish. If you have many scenes, you can scroll horizontally to navigate. Take a moment to identify the exact scene you want to duplicate. Looking closely at the thumbnail and any labels will help ensure you're selecting the right one before making a copy. When you've found the scene you want, right-click directly on that scene in the storyboard. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some systems you can hold the Control key while clicking to bring up the context menu. The key is to open the menu for the specific scene you intend to duplicate, not the empty space around it. From the menu that appears, click on Duplicate Scene. Colossyan will instantly create a copy of that scene and place it in your storyboard, typically right next to the original. The duplicate includes the same visuals, text, voice, and timing as the original, so you can make changes to the copy without affecting the first version. This is great for creating alternate takes or building a sequence that maintains consistent styling, and that's all there is to it. By logging in, opening your project, locating your storyboard at the bottom, right-clicking the scene you want, and choosing Duplicate Scene, you can quickly build out your video with consistent, reusable blocks. If you're working on a longer project, getting comfortable with this flow will save you a lot of time and help keep your edits organized. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Colossyan.